How to fix server access failure in WeChat. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn some ways you can fix your server access failure problem in your device for your WeChat account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that your application is updated. Head over to Play Store and search for WeChat. If you see update sign here, you have to tap on update and update your application. As you have updated your application, head over to your settings app. From here, scroll below to apps. As you open the apps, you will see a list of all the applications that are in your device. From the top right bar, type in WeChat. And from here, under usage, tap on to storage. Now from here, clear the cache on your top and your bottom right, and tap on clear data on your bottom left. Also be noted that if you delete this application's data, all the history and account databases will be deleted. If you still like to continue, then tap on delete. Now go ahead and open up your WeChat app. Get re-logged into your WeChat account, and from there, try logging into your server or accessing your server. Just like so, this shall fix your problem. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.